In a significant legal development with regards to the Sambhal Jama Masjid survey, the Supreme Court bench led by CJI Justice Sanjeev Khanna has put a stay on the trial court's action. The Supreme Court, without commenting on the merits of the case, has asked the masjid side to approach the Allahabad High Court and has also said that no further action can be taken in the case till the High Court hears the matter. CJI has put the onus on the state to ensure law and order. And in his oral observation, he said that there should be no more untoward incident in Sambhal. The Supreme Court has also said that once the case comes up in the High Court, it should be heard within 3 days. The Supreme Court passed this order while hearing the petition of the Management Committee of Sambhal's Shahi Jama Masjid. Here's what lawyers for both sides have said.
Today, the Supreme Court has asked the civil judge to hold his hands till the High Court passes an appropriate order. Mr. Jain, how do you view today's order from the Supreme Court?
The Honorable Supreme Court has directed the Mosque Committee to file their petition before the High Court, and if the same is filed before the High Court within 3 working days, it will be listed before the High Court within 3 working days. Same is filed before the High Court, it should be listed within 3 working days. The Supreme Court has also directed the Advocate Commissioner to file its report in the sealed cover. The court has said that we are not expressing any opinion on the merits of the case.
So what are the observations from the Supreme Court regarding peace and harmony should
The Honorable Supreme Court was concerned with regard to peace and harmony to be maintained in the region, and the Council appearing for State of UP, Mr. K.M. Natarajan, has assured the court that they are taking all the possible steps to maintain peace and harmony.
So as of now, is there any per se stay on the survey?
No, there is no stay on the survey. Survey is already conducted. Now the report will be filed in the sealed cover. So how will there be stay on the survey when survey is conducted and it is over?
तो सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने कहा, जो डिस्ट्रिक्ट एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन को रिप्रेजेंट कर रहे थे एडवोकेट, उनसे कहा कि पीस और हार्मनी मेंटेन रहना चाहिए, मतलब अमन और शांति मेंटेन रहे। दूसरी बात ये कही कि अगर आपको 19 नवंबर 2024 का ऑर्डर आप चैलेंज कर रहे हैं, अपील फाइल कर रहे हैं हाई कोर्ट में, तो वो अपील 3 दिन के अंदर हाई कोर्ट में लिस्ट हो, एक बात। और दूसरी बात, जब तक वो अपील की सुनवाई नहीं होगी हाई कोर्ट में, तब तक निचली अदालत में सिविल जज की कोर्ट में संभल में जो सूट है वो आगे प्रोसीड नहीं करेगा, वो स्टे हो गया, स्टे ऑफ प्रोसीडिंग हो गया। और तीसरी बात उन्होंने अहम ये कही कि अगर कोई एडवोकेट कमिश्नर की रिपोर्ट है, सर्वे रिपोर्ट, उसको सील कवर में रखा जाएगा और उसको सील रखा जाएगा। तो ये 3-4 बहुत अहम बातें कही हैं। मैं समझता हूं कि बहुत अच्छा फैसला है सुप्रीम कोर्ट का, पूरे मुल्क के लिए और अमन और शांति को मेंटेन करने के लिए बहुत अच्छा फैसला है।
Meanwhile, in Sambhal, where security has been beefed up, controversial cleric Taqir Raza, who earlier blamed the court for pre-planning the violence in collusion with the local administration, he was detained. The administration has made it clear that no outsider will be allowed in Sambhal, where the priority is to maintain peace and harmony. Remember, the Supreme Court also today said that it's the job of the state authorities and the administration to ensure that peace prevails. Now, controversial cleric Taqir has been detained, and the administration making it absolutely clear that no outsider will be allowed in Sambhal. The priority for them at the moment is to maintain peace and harmony. That's the update we are getting.
शहीदों का दर्जा हम मांग नहीं रहे, हम भिखारी नहीं है भाई जी, शहीद हैं वो शहीद हैं, उन्हें जबरदस्ती कत्ल किया गया है, निर्मम हत्या की गई है, तो वो शहीद हैं।
तो अगर पुलिस आज आपको नहीं जाने देती है तो क्या कदम रहेगा अगला?
अब ये तो इसके बाद कुछ फैसला किया जाएगा, अगर नहीं जाने देते तो देखेंगे क्या करते।
देखिए, पुलिस का कहना तो ये है कि जो लोग मरे हैं वो पुलिस की गोली से नहीं मरे,
पुलिस की गोली से मरे हैं, इसके सबूत मौजूद है, इसकी वीडियो मौजूद है, और पुलिस ने ही पथराव करवाया है, मुसलमानों ने कोई पथराव नहीं किया है, और पथराव सिर्फ इसलिए किया गया ताकि पुलिस को गोली मारने में आसानी हो जाए।
Adib is joining us with more details. Adib, Maulana Taqir Raza has been detained. Now, in that conversation, is he calling the protesters who lost their life during the violence as shaheed? Is he calling them martyrs?
Well, definitely, Swati, see, Maulana Taqir Raza, he was heading towards Sambhal after the offering Friday prayers in a mosque in Bareilly, and as he was heading towards Sambhal, he was detained by the police, and as of now, he is being kept in a police station in Bareilly. And when he was questioned by Times Now, what about the people, those who were killed in the violence, he is calling them as martyrs. He is saying that those people are martyrs, and in fact, he went on to accuse the policemen. He is saying that it was the police team, those who started the stone pelting, and he's also saying, alleging on the police team that it was the police team who opened fire and killed those people. So it's a controversial remark that Maulana Taqir Raza has made. He's accusing the police team of saying that the police team started the stone pelting. It was the police team who opened the fire, although the police have clearly mentioned in the reports that the person who have lost their life, they sustained the injuries from the country-made pistols. In fact, the police team in Sambhal, they recovered also the country-made pistols from the people, those who were arrested. And on the day of riot, which is last Sunday, police also recovered shells, the pistol shells of the country-made pistol. So it's very clear that the pistols were used of the country-made pistol, not that the police teams used. In fact, the police team at that time used the pellet guns and the rubber bullets to disperse the mob. But Taqir Raza, he is being detained right now in Bareilly at a police station, and he's accusing the police team, calling the person who has lost their life as martyrs, and he's saying that he will be going to Sambhal no matter what the administration is going to say, but he'll be visiting Sambhal soon, and as of now he has been detained in a police station in Bareilly.
All right, Adeep, stay on with us. So, Taqir Raza has been detained, and the administration has made it clear that the outsiders will not be allowed because their priority is to maintain peace. But